Alright guys, so today I wanted to go over a quick video here working on a Simplicity. Let's see, this is trying to see what model this one is. I think it's a Barron's or a Broadmoor. It's a Broadmoor 20 horse mower. This is why I recommend you pull this cover off here, guys. Your cover that goes on here, you got several bolts to take out. And I got one bolt over there that I can't actually get to, and I'll show you, unless I tear a bunch of stuff apart. And that's this this bolt down here. I'd have to take this here off, and then I'm taking a chance of messing up the gasket there, so I just kind of left that one in and just kind of bent this back a little bit like so. Now you can see how much gunk and junk's down inside here, guys. That's why I recommend before your mowing season, just go ahead and pull your cover off here, and this way take an air compressor or something, either wash it out or use compressed air, clean all that junk out of there, guys. You can see it's got quite a bit of buildup down in here around the cylinder head. Just makes your motor run a lot cooler, getting all that gunk and stuff off there on your by pulling that cover up off there, guys. You'll find that you'll have a lot of dust and dirt and gunk built up in there, especially if you haven't done it before. It makes the motor run a lot cooler. You get all that junk, get all that stuff sprayed out of there. That's why I wanted to go over a video there on just pulling your cover off the top here on your mowers and getting down in there with some compressed air, or if you ain't got compressed air, maybe wash it out with a garden hose or whatever, pressure washer or whatever you can do to get that get that gunk and stuff up off them cylinder heads. Will make your mower run a lot cooler, and just saves wear and tear on the motor there, guys, when you get that cleaned out of there. I think I've got another video out there on my Bad Boy ZRT zero turn on pulling the cover off and getting down in there and cleaning around the cylinder heads. So just like I said, it makes the motor run a lot cooler that way. Save wear and tear on your motor that way. So I thought I'd go. Here's how many bolts I had. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I had 9 bolts I had to pull off of it in order to get the cover. I didn't get, like I said, I didn't get the cover all the way off, but I got it. I got it up off there far enough where I can get in here with the compressed air, and I'll be able to clean this out real good. That way help make this motor run a little cooler in the summertime, so it'll be ready for him. And we're going to go through and change the oil and change the spark plugs, grease all the fittings. I got other videos out there on this mower. I do it once a year for him to get it ready for the season, mowing season. I already got the deck off there, getting ready to sharpen the blades and pressure wash everything, get everything good and cleaned up, and that way it'll be good to go for the summertime mowing there, guys. So just wanted to throw that video out there on how important it is to pull this cover off and get down in there and clean all that junk out around them cylinder heads. Like I said, just makes your motor run a whole lot cooler, guys. So anyways, that we'll try to get them videos out there once a week or once every 2 weeks for you there, guys, on what we're doing around the homestead here. on getting working on stuff, whatever we got to repair, and I can get it figured out on what needs fixed or whatever. Try to get them videos out there for you guys, help people out. So I guess that will wrap this video up, guys, and we'll catch you all in the next video.